Welcome to Gardening Nurture. Today we're diving into essential tips that will help you grow tomatoes and peppers successfully in your garden. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these tips will ensure your plants thrive and produce bountiful harvests. First and foremost, planting timing is crucial for both tomatoes and peppers. Wait until nighttime temperatures consistently stay above 55 degrees Fahrenheit for peppers to avoid stunting their growth. Tomatoes, on the other hand, should be planted promptly to prevent nutrient deficiencies and ensure robust development from the start. Understanding the different tomato and pepper varieties is key to planning your garden effectively. Tomatoes. Choose between determinate and indeterminate varieties. Determinate types grow to a set height, produce fruit all at once, and then stop growing. Indeterminate varieties, however, continue to grow and produce fruit throughout the season until cold weather sets in. Varieties like semi-determinate and cherry tomatoes offer variations between the determinate and indeterminate growth habits, allowing for flexibility in garden planning. Proper planting techniques set the foundation for healthy growth. Tomatoes, plant them deep to encourage robust root growth along the stem. If your bed depth is limited, consider laying the plant sideways. Peppers, plant them slightly deeper than they were in their pots, ensuring the leaves stay off the ground to prevent disease. Both tomatoes and peppers benefit from support systems as they grow. Tomatoes, use tomato cages for determinate varieties and trellises, or the Florida weave method for indeterminate ones. Regularly prune suckers to promote airflow and reduce disease risk. Peppers, stake the plants to support their top-heavy growth. Bamboo stakes or recycled sticks are excellent choices, tied with biodegradable elastic or green tape for eco-friendly support. Maintaining soil health through proper fertilization is crucial. Use organic options like Neptune's harvest crab and lobster shell for calcium, and kelp meal for potassium to provide essential nutrients without synthetic chemicals. Avoid using Epsom salts for blossom end rot. Instead, focus on consistent watering to prevent nutrient imbalances. Pruning plays a vital role in maximizing plant productivity. For tomatoes, prune indeterminate varieties by removing suckers to redirect energy towards fruit production and minimize disease risk. Pepper plants benefit from pinching out top growth after they develop about 6 leaves, encouraging branching and more robust fruit production. Mulching helps conserve moisture and control weeds. Apply mulch around plants to retain soil moisture and regulate soil temperature, benefiting both tomatoes and peppers alike. Regular care and monitoring are essential throughout the growing season. Monitor plants for signs of pests and diseases, intervening early with organic solutions to maintain plant health. Label plants for easy identification and track their progress as they grow. By following these essential tips, you'll be well equipped to grow thriving tomatoes and peppers in your garden. Share this video with fellow gardening enthusiasts. Give it a thumbs up if you found the information helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to Gardening Nurture for more tips and tricks to nurture your garden. Happy gardening, and we'll see you next time.